and welcome to the official unboxing video of the first stainless steel exhaust system which we landed for a customer. And as you guys will have seen at the beginning of the vlog, this package comes courtesy of DNA Motoring. So let me just give you guys a quick rundown of the exhaust before I get to opening the packaging, and then I will give you my review and thoughts of the finish and what I think about the system. So this is a 4-inch burnt-up stainless steel catback exhaust system for the 97-01 on the Prelude BB6 with the H22 motor. It is made of high-quality T304 stainless steel with computerized manual bends, TIG welded CNC machine flange for resistance against pressure and corrosion. So let's get to opening this packaging and see what the system looks like. Oh yeah, take a look at this. Man, this looks super cool. But let's get it out of that bubble wrap quickly, pack everything out on the table, and then we can do the quick review. So here you will see I am wearing gloves so that I don't get any fingerprint stains on the stainless steel, and that will also prevent any of those fingerprint marks if I were to get any from blemishing deep into the material when they were heated up afterward. Here we go with a first look at that new stainless steel exhaust system, this being the rear muffler or silencer. Not that it's going to be silent. The pin that goes over the rear control arm with the mid pipe, and then the connector which goes onto the branch as well. So as you guys can see, this entire system is a complete bolt-on. Here you've obviously got your hardware and just some interesting facts as well. So your outer diameter pipe is 60 mm with an inner diameter of 57 mm. So effectively this is a 57 mm system. And then just a closer look at that N1 style jack box. So as you can see, here's the burn tip, and then you've got this removable silencer which can either make the system louder or softer depending on whether you leave it in or take it out. Looking at the valves, you can see this is proper. I mean, there as well, and over there. So every section seems to be quite neatly welded. Obviously once the system has been fitted and the car is started, one can then check for any leaks. So there you go guys, I hope that you enjoyed this quick unboxing. If you are looking at purchasing a complete bolt-on exhaust or any other aftermarket car parts and accessories, then do hit us up. I will link all our contact details in the description below. Alternatively, you can also just scan the QR code which I will display on the screen now, and that way you guys will be able to get direct access to our WhatsApp, either the catalog or to direct message us. Till the next one guys, remember, your build, your rules, stay motivated. Cheers.